I was recently asked about the decking on this trailer. Now this is the WIKE do-it-yourself trailer where you get the components, the fittings, the wheels, the hitch, and then everything else you build yourself to your own dimensions. As far as the deck, you can add or use whatever kind of material you wish. I used a inexpensive lumber from Home Depot, and I treated it with urethane, a couple coats to help keep it from rotting or help survive the weather. So I used carriage bolts. You can see across in 3 different spots, and we'll flip it over so you can see how I mounted it to the actual trailer. Alright, so what I did was I purchased this, I don't know if you'd call it angle iron or what you would call it, but it's like an L-shaped, and this is aluminum. Also something I got at Home Depot or Lowe's or any hardware store. But I purchased this piece and cut it to fit between the rails on the frame, and then I attached the wood planks to it. So you can see that each plank has one carriage bolt holding it. And then this piece, this aluminum piece, is bolted in 2 spots to the frame of the trailer. Right here and right here. So this wood is not actually attached directly to the trailer's frame. And I did that on this end. The angle iron, or the aluminum piece, the wood is attached to, and then it is attached to the frame. And did it down on this end as well. So I didn't want to attach each piece to the actual frame because I didn't want to weaken this tubing by drilling all these holes into it. Instead, I've just got the 2 attachments. And that means if I want to take this deck off, instead of having to undo all these bolts from the frame, I only have to unbolt here, here, and 2 on top and 2 on the bottom, 6 bolts. And I can take the deck off, and it'll still be all, the deck will still be, in one piece, basically. And not that I plan on doing that, but that's just one of the reasons why I did it this way. So I wouldn't weaken the actual tubing of the frame, the trailer frame, and so it's easier to remove this decking from that frame itself. So that's really how I did the decking. Of course, again, you can use any material you wish. I just wanted to do it this way. When I'm out pulling the trailer, if it does rain or gets any liquid, it can drain through between each piece. It's fairly lightweight wood. But that's how I did the decking, to answer the question, and I hope that helps.